how to disable Microsoft Family feature. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, you will have to open up your task manager. You can open it up from your bottom of your taskbar, or you can just simply press Ctrl Shift and Escape in order to open it up. After it opens up, you would be able to see the option of services either on the top or on the left hand side panel if you have the latest version of Windows. So after opening up services on your task manager, search for WPC Mon SVC. Let me type it up. Simply search for this particular option on your services tab of task manager and right click on it, then select the option of stop. After that, you need to right click on it again, and then this time select the option of open services. After that, a new window will open up, and over there you need to search for parental control. Simply search for parental control, and after that right click on it, then open up the properties of this particular option. And after that, you would be able to find the option of startup type. Simply click on it, then select the option of disabled, and this way you would be able to disable it. Now click on the option of apply and then select the option of OK. And this way you would be able to disable the Microsoft Family feature. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.